Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Updates here definitely need to be made, as not a good start to the week at all. First key update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $4.60 after today's movement is one of the newest areas of resistance. But given that the price is still all the way down there, what I'm going to do is just use a nearer term level. And for the sake of not having lines all over the place, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this level down. So yeah, 460 is definitely still a level, but it's not totally relevant right now. The more relevant area now has become down here at $4.45. So in the near term, if there is any sort of attempted bounce, then that first key level it now needs to be broken again right there at $4.45. If the price can break up through there, then the next key overarching level you would want to watch is that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as the week plays out, that line is going to continue to move itself lower and lower. And going back through the history of things, you can see that there's a very big track record now of this moving average acting as resistance. So I'm not saying that level can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that purple line, but stay up above it. Although with all that being said, I'm getting way too far ahead of ourselves because first off, the price just needs to get up above 445 in the nearer term. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here as far as supports, other than the fact that the bleeding finally essentially stopped right there at $4.35. So for that reason and that reason alone, 435 is going to be the current and near-term level of support going forward. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to give some credit where credit's due. At least the price has finally at least started to go sideways here. Does that mean that it's for sure a bottom? There are no such thing as for sure's, but it's at least logical right now to question, you know what, maybe this is some sort of bottom forming. We'll have to see what happens. Whereas if the price was just still going straight down, at that point it would make no sense to even question if there was some sort of bottom forming. But given in this situation, the price is indeed going sideways. Does that mean it's for sure the bottom? No, but it's at least a rational thought to have. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. The week is young, still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.